So coming to the second problem, find the COP of a refrigeration system if the work input is 75 kilojoules per kg and the refrigeration effect produced is 150 kilojoules per kg of the refrigerant that is flowing in it. Okay, so here is the problem where it tells that there is a work that has been done of 75 kilojoules per kg and the refrigeration effect that is produced is 150 kilojoules per kg. So we need to find the COP. That is the simple actually. The COP is equal to the work, the refrigeration effect produced, okay, divided by work done. So that is equal to 75 kilojoules per kg to 150 kilojoules. So that is the 150 divided 75. Okay, so work done is about 175, so you will get 2. So COP is the 2. So this shows that if you are giving a work of 1 kilowatt to the compressor, it can produce the double of the refrigeration effect. Okay, so we shall move to the third problem that says that a machine working on Carnot cycle operates between 308 Kelvin and 268 Kelvin. Determine COP when it operates as first refrigeration system, okay, and the second is the heat pump system, okay, and the heat engine. So here they have given two temperatures and we need to tell that what actually the COP if it operates as the refrigeration system, heat pump as well as the heat engine. Okay, so for the first COP for the refrigeration system, okay, so that is the refrigeration effect to the work done. Okay, so that is T1 divided by T2 minus T1, as I told you in the early class. 268 divided by 308 minus 268, that we are going to get 6.7. COP is the 6.7. Similarly for heat pump, okay, COP for heat pump. So again, see, this is the refrigeration effect that is producing in the refrigeration system, but in the heat pump the heat rejected, okay, heat rejected or heat rejection, how much heat will be rejected to the confined space to the work done. So as I told you that it will be T2, since it from the we are giving the heat to the warm place, and in order to warm the place, that is T2 divided by T2 minus T1. So 308 divided by 308 minus 268, so it is about 7.7. So okay, so these things shows that the compressor, if you given 1 kilowatt, then it can produce 6 times, and whereas for the heat pump again it can produce 7 times, okay, of the work that can be done to carry out the energy from the lower level to higher level or higher level to the lower level. Coming to the heat engine, that is for heat engines it is T2 minus T1 divided by T2. This is the inverse of the coefficient of performance of the heat pump. Okay, so it is 308 minus 268 divided by 308. So here the work done will be very less, that is 0.13. The COP for the heat engine is very less, that is 0.013, and for heat pump it is 7.7, and for refrigeration system it is 6.7, right?